Darn it. This is a lock. Never knew to put a key card in this elevator. B 6 5 4 3 2. No, good, no luck. That's it. What floor are you guys going to?
3.
3, you have to tap it.
What are you trying to do?
Just going to stay in the elevator. I'm not going in anywhere. 3 and 6. I like the elevators. I'm just going to stay in it. I'm not going to get off. I'm a huge fan. Have a good Victoria day.
You too.
I'm going back down to G after this. Have a good day. Well, this is a 7-story hydro then. It completely key carded. Don't know what it used to be. It's very small elevators, only 2,000 pounds.